Hello everybody, my name is Mikola and today I want to discuss with you the best and the worst gifts for guitar players. But first I want to note that this video is not sponsored by anyone, just my honest opinion. I've done review of all of these potential gifts, so I know them well. These can be gifts for yourself or for any important day of your guitarist friend. Christmas, New Year, birthday, or for the day when he finally washed up. So, what to buy or what not to buy for guitarists? Let's get started. If you are not a guitar player, you may think these protectors are very useful. But in reality, they could be one of the worst gifts for guitar players. In short, they do not allow you to play the guitar properly. These fingertips protectors could help only if your fingers are wounded. Guitar picks, things that disappear all the time. And they are also the things that guitarists buy almost every time they go to a music store. I would recommend buying guitar picks set as a gift. For example, I really like the Beatles. That's why I like a set of picks with their images. If you can find something like this, it will be one of the best gifts. Today you can find several almost the same devices called guitar training tools, but all of them are absolutely no needed. For no one. Absolutely. Absolutely. Your friend will play with these things for 1 minute and put it somewhere very far away. This is definitely one of the worst and useless gifts. If your friend guitarist plays the electric guitar, then the guitar effect pedal is an option for a gift. But if you don't know what pedal or effect this guitarist wants, it can be a failure. For example, if he or she already has a pedal with the same effect. But you can give him or her something very original. I am very glad I have a DeLorean delay pedal. Because I love Back to the Future movie. I am also a fan of The Simpsons, so I love my steamed hams pedal. Here it is. The first pedal is made by Vivico pedals, and the second one is made by Gojira FX. Visit their sites to choose really original and unique guitar pedals. Then it would be one of the best gifts. Guitar strings can be a great gift only if you know which strings this guitarist uses. Otherwise, your gift will never be used. Once I was given strings of a completely different gauge, and I even didn't start using them. This problem is quite common. For example, the guitarist of the Black Sabbath, Tony Iommi, is given so many strings that he does not use that he has to make jewelry out of them and sell them online. You can find many sets for cleaning a guitar on internet. There are sets with just wipes and cleaners, and sets with a bunch of accessories, like capo, keys, and cleaners as well. Both of these options are good as a gift. It will be not like, yeah, I always dreamed about it, but it will be a pretty useful gift. To this category I want to include a guitar stands, sliders, tuners and cables. If you are not sure about what exactly your friend guitarist needs, accessories could be one of the worst gifts. Your friend might have a tuner already, or you can buy him his third slider, although he doesn't even use the first two. Therefore, in my opinion, this is not the thing that should be presented to guitarists. If you know the favorite band, singer or guitarist of your friend, The present with autograph or rare vinyl or old poster in the frame would be a successful present. And even a t-shirt or socks with friend's favorite band or guitar will make him or her smile as well. The Soundstone is a cheap guitar sustainer, device for the electric guitar that forces strings to vibrate. So it gets endless sustain and the guitar sounds like a cello or violin. The original sustainer was called E-bow, but it is much more expensive. It seems to me that such a gift can be a good option. Yes, in most cases it will be just a toy. A very small number of guitarists use this device. But still, this thing is a lot of fun to play with and experiment with. Write your opinion about the best and the worst gifts for guitarists in the comment section. Share your experience with your best and worst gifts. Like this video or don't if you are a very evil person and make rock, not war.